Hello, boys and girls. I want to talk to you about farm animals and their babies. Here we have some pictures of some animals that live on the farm. We have a chicken, a cow, a sheep, and a horse. Do you want to meet their babies? Okay. Here we have a colt. A colt is a baby horse. Look, he looks just like mama horse. The next one is a baby lamb. Yes, you guessed it. That's the sheep's baby. It's called a baby lamb. Do you want to see what a baby cow looks like? This is the calf. A calf is a baby cow. What about a baby chicken? What does that look like? You guessed it. It is called a chick. Look how cute that is. So as you can tell, even though these farm animals have babies that look almost like them, they have different names. Another two animals that live on the farm, they have babies with different names are the goats. The goats' babies are called kids. And the pig. The pig's babies are called piglets. But they look just like them. There you have it, boys and girls. Just some animals that live on the farm and what their babies are called. See you next time.